It's too dark. Turn the light on. Where's the light?
There's no light in this room?
No overhead.
Oh, no. Oh, no. It's okay. It's okay. Does it do anything? No, no. It's okay. Your mommy has to pee-pee. Oh. Doo-doo-doo. It's okay. You're the princess of the universe. It's okay. Remember, I'm your Aunt Ellen. Oh, this isn't as bad as vitamin K, is it? Oh my goodness. Do you want to know where Mommy is? She's coming right back. Oh, oh, oh. Hello. Here she is. I just remembered I should take some stool softener. It's a good thing.